Homework 3-3, add 10s and 1s on an open number line. Much of this strategy is just about your child being able to explain step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and understanding that the order of what they need to do first, how they start on this number line, and secondly is that place value of that if you're adding 46 plus 27, that 27 is 2 10s and 7 1s. If they have those two skills down through this lesson today, 3-3, they'll be successful moving forward. Use an open number line to find the sum. It's similar to yesterday. The only difference now is that we're just not adding 20. Yesterday was 20, 10, 20. It was fairly easy just going down on the hundreds chart to add plus 10. Now it's a little bit more challenging, so you got to add the 1s. 34, start at 34. Now when they see the 25, you want your child to say, okay, if 25 is 2 10s and 5 1s. How are we going to represent that on the open number line? Well, 2 10s plus 10, which we did yesterday, plus 10. So they just need to decompose that number to say, well, that's 2 10s. And again, if they don't have that in their brain of 34 plus 10, they need to get that in their brain. So ways to do that. I told them this morning again at school. I said I had a stack of hundreds charts. I had 2 students take them home yesterday. If you want a copy, tell them to grab them. I said today you could take them home. I got some that are laminated. You could use them and just write on them with a dry erase marker and erase it, or you can use just a paper copy and have it at home and use it. So my suggestion is to use that if they don't have it in their head. 34, 44, 54, and then 5 1s. Now, a couple ways to do it. You could do 5 hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could just do plus 5 since there's 5 1s. To me, it's more work to show, but if your child's not understanding that the 5 more from 54 is 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, then you might want to have them do the hops. To me, I'm just going to do here plus 5, and that would be 59. You could do the plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 5 times. It's up to you. Our answer here is 59. So again, this one doesn't have regrouping. So 34 plus 25, 9, 5. You can double check with the vertical. Now, they won't be able to double check the next one because 8 and 7's going to have to be regrouped. So you're not going to be able to use that strategy to double check your answer, but for this one you can if you still want to go over that concept. 57 plus 18, they need to understand they're starting at 57, 18, 110, go 1 hop, plus 10, 57 plus 110. What is 57 plus 110? Think in your brain. What's 57 on the hundreds chart? Where is that? I go down 1, 67. I still need to add the 8 1s. This one I'll show the other way to do it. You could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm running out of room. 8. Which would be 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Or, if your child's able to count on from 67, 8 more with their fingers or however strategy, they can use that as well. 67 plus 8. Flipping it over on the back, take a look here. Use an open number line to solve each problem. Jimmy sees 10 baby sea turtles on the shore. He then sees 23 more baby sea turtles. How many sea turtles does Jimmy see in all? In addition, sum. 10 baby sea turtles on the shore, he sees 23 more. So you could start with the 23 and add 10 more, or you could do 10 and then 23 more. For this one, it might just be easier to go 10 and 23 to flip them around. So start at 23 plus 10, which we did last night, 33. The strategy today would have been start at 10 and add 23 more, 2 10s and 3 1s. Flip them around. Well, it might be a little bit easier for them to process the information. So there's not one right answer for this. You could have started at 10 and gone 23 more, or 23 and 10 more. Ebony has 45 beads. I've already given her 26 more beads. How many beads does Ebony have in all? In all, plus. So I know right away it's plus. I've got 45 and 26. Those are key details. So first step, start at 45. And you don't have to explain this, but they will down the road. Start at 45. I know the 26, 2, add 2 tens. 26 has 2 tens, plus 10, plus 10, 40, 46, 5 plus 10 is 55, 65. 55, 65. Now I have 6 ones. Third step. Add 6 more ones. So I've got 65. Plus 6. I could just do plus 6 or do it with the individual hops. I'll do the individual hops. It's a little bit more work, but it might show your child that, hey, I need to do 65 plus 6 more for that 26, the 6 ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all plus 1. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. 71 beads. Again, they can use a hunter's chart here to help them with the math if they don't have those numbers in their brain that they can take from 65 and go 6 more. Bill has 58 crayons. That's going to be key. He gives him 10 more crayons. Steve gives him 10 more crayons. And Micah gives him 14 more crayons. How many crayons does Bill have in all? Now, you could do 58 plus 10 plus 14. Or you could combine the 10 and the 14. I know in all I'm going to have to add them together. Not one way to do it. You could do 10 plus 14 is 24, and then add 24 to 58. Or you could do start at 58, start at 58, add 10, which is 68, and then add 10 more. 14, $78 plus the 4 ones, I'll just do a plus 4 this time, 82. Could have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 80, 81, 82. To see that represented, plus 4 saved me a little bit of time if your child's got that under control. If they don't, have them do the plus ones. The plus ones help. I do. It shows them visually that they're adding those on, those ones, the ones place. 82 crayons. Use the numbers on the cards. Write the missing numbers under the number line to show how to find the sum. I've got these 4 number cards that need to go in here, and then you need to write the answer. So I've got 50 plus 10 is 60. Cross it out. 60 plus 10 is 70. Cross it out. 70 plus 10 is 80, cross it out, and then 80 plus 86 by process of elimination. Does that make sense? Well, just check in your head, just in case. Sometimes it's not the right answer. 80 plus 6, well, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. That works out. 50 plus 36 equals 86.